Welcome to part one of the garage rehab, we will call it. This garage is going to go through quite the makeover. All of this stuff you see here will be condensed, wrapped. I'm going to spend some time. We're going to cover up and tape and do quite a bit of prep work. He does have a Tesla charger as well, so that needs to be noted. A single fluorescent light bulb per bay, which will be swapping out to the new LED style garage lights, which we will go over much later because we have so much work to do from now until then that it's somewhat irrelevant for now. So we are going to be painting and painting and painting and painting. I'm going to spend a little bit of time and go around and touch up some of the drywall stuff because it is just kind of sort of done. As you can tell, there's a fair chunk of the foundation as well. I'm not cleaning it up a lot, but we are going to paint it. It will be a contrast paint to separate the walls from the floor. But as you can tell, this is just a pretty average 2-bay garage with honestly nothing worth writing home about. So we are going to spruce it up. Paint and stuff is coming in. I've got the couch to finish, which I'm going to stain inside here because it's nice and dry, and we are going to get to work. So welcome to part one. Welcome back to another video. We are finished in the garage. I gotta say, I'm very pleased with how it turned out. When you pick colors off a little palette, you never know how it's gonna look in the space with the lighting and everything. When you order lights off Amazon, you don't know how they're actually gonna work in the space and how you intended. So everything has come along really, really well. The grays are exactly where I wanted them to be. They are warm, they are neutral, they are kind of poppy, but not. It's, to me, the right balance. We did end up keeping the mirrors. These were out of the house. This is actually where I put the mudroom in the house. So rather than just toss those out, we've refurbished them. I did reorganize everything. He got some free cabinets here. I have a friend, so I assembled those and put those over in the corner for him. Reorganized his tools, reorganized all the stuff onto the shelves. So there's a lot less of it, and everything is clean. Tesla charger, everything is kind of in one area rather than spread out along the back wall. I did try to give it a nice crisp, clean paint edge around the on the floor itself. The ceiling is painted as well. I'm losing focus. And yeah, I think it came out as desired, if nothing else. We'll get away from the light. Doesn't seem to like that. So yeah, before and after, gotta say, pretty drastic. Really happy with the two-tone. I feel like it just brings it to a whole nother level. So that's Odd Job Bob getting more stuff done.